Well, my name is Holly, and I'm 36 years old, and been seeing Dr. Lapenski for almost 4 years. The reason I came was I was dealing with a lot of back issues. Since 2019, I had kind of an initial injury with like a bulging disc that was a very small, like slight movement. It was like a stretch and a twist, and it just tweaked, and I was out of commission for like a week, flat on my back, really in a lot of pain, and it was bulging disc. I had an MRI and it showed. And so I had then started to go to PT and was getting my strength back. I was overweight at the time. I had a 4-month-old baby, and I was stressed and overweight and having just a hard time with my health in general. And so that kind of made it worse. And so through that, I came out of that and lost some weight and was able to start working out and kind of gain some strength. But that pain in my low back was just always there. And even with, I saw, traditional chiropractor who was great, and physical therapy, but just over, that was 2019 to 2022, 3 years of just all of that. I felt like it just never, the pain was always there. And I was told, I even went to see a physiatrist, and he told me, like, yeah, you have kind of a curvature of your spine and you may always just have that pain. And so, I thought, man, I'm 36 years old, there must be something else I can do. And, I actually was at the farmer's market in Puyallup, and that's where I saw the NUCCA tent and, got the information like, oh, what is this? Like a different chiropractic kind of method. And so I thought about it for a year. I didn't try it yet, but just, it was in the back of my mind. I had the pamphlet in my house, and then I realized, okay, after I was rear-ended in 2022 when I was pregnant with my 4-year-old now, and I'll rewind back to 2017 or 2016. We hit black ice, and I had a pretty intense whiplash, which I think may have caused a lot of my back issues. Now looking back, it's like I realized, oh, that was probably maybe what did it. And then this recent, rear end incident just got me all messed up, and realized, okay, yeah, I need to do something different because my pain in my low back is still there. I was now having neck pain, and so met with Dr. Lapenski and told him my story. And since then, I've been able to lose more weight, and I've noticed changes in my digestion has been better. My sinuses have been better. I remember one appointment I came in, maybe a year or two into treatment with Dr. Lapenski, and after an adjustment, I thought, oh, that kind of cleared my nasal passages, and it was kind of cool, just the little miracles that happen after I get adjusted here, and it's amazing. For probably 6 months or so, I was seeing a physical therapist for like pelvic floor and low back, strength and treatment. She had me wear a lift in one of my shoes because she noticed that my hips were not equal, my gait was off, everything just was causing the pain, the low back pain. And so when Dr. Lapenski told me you can take that lift out, I thought, oh, really? And I thought, ooh, I was nervous. I was nervous that the pain would come back and all this. But after my meeting with him, after my first adjustment, I didn't have to wear my lift. I was walking around my house barefoot because I had a lift in my slipper at home to make sure that I just stayed even. And I was pain-free after that adjustment, and have, been amazed to just see the change in my body with not dealing with that pain anymore like I thought I would just live with for the rest of my life. And it felt like a miracle, happened, and it was just great. If you've tried everything else, physical therapy, massage, chiropractic care, and all those things are great, and I still see, massage and physical therapists when I need it, but just with this treatment, it's so precise, and it's so trustworthy, and it's so healing. It's very I want everyone to be able to experience just the healing that I've experienced, and especially in my time of my life, being in my 30s, thinking, oh man, this pain is going to be with me forever. I would encourage you just to try it out, to come and see Dr. Lapenski. And he talks about, he can help 9 people out of 10. Like, it's a very high chance that he will be able to help you with whatever kind of pain you're experiencing, whether it's in your foot or your head, like from top to bottom. Like, it's amazing how this adjustment can just help everything. Yeah, and from experience, having that information and kind of wondering, is this going to work? I feel like it's always worth a try, especially if you're at your last straw and you've tried everything and it's like, this could be the answer. And like, I'm here to tell you, it probably is the answer to your, solving your pain or your mystery, or just the recurring thing that's happening in your body. And it just, it's worth it to just, see that brochure, see this video, and say, okay, I'm going to try it.